video, we'll demonstrate a simple CRUD system using HTML, PHP, JavaScript, and MySQL. CRUD stands for create, read, update, and delete. The main functions used in managing data in a database. Okay, let's start by checking our database setup. We have already created a database, so let's create another one. In PHPMyAdmin, we name CRUD, and inside it, a table called student. It has 3 columns. The first is the ID, set to INT, and 100 for the length values. Click the checkbox AI or auto increment and set as a primary key. For name, set to varchar, and has 100 for length values, and plus for the email. Set also for varchar, and 100 for the length values, and click save. This will store all the user information that our system will manage.
Next, for the database connection, let's open the db.php file. This file connects our PHP pages to the MySQL database. For server name, set to localhost, and for username, set to root. And for the database, we name CRUD_db. This is our original database. This line creates the connection. If the connection fails, it stops the program and shows an error message. We include this file in all our PHP pages, so they can access the database. Now, let's open index.php, which displays all the data from the database. At the top, we include our database file like this. This automatically lists every user saved in the database.
Now, let's look at how we add a new user. At the bottom of index.php, there's a simple HTML form. We input the name and the email. When we click a Add User button, the data is sent to add.php. Inside add.php, this code saves a new user. This insert query adds the input data to our user table. After saving, it's redirect back to index page. Let's move on to updating a record. When we click Edit, it's open update.php, which loads the exciting data from the selected ID. This is the code to get the ID. The data is then shown in the form of editing. When we click Update, this code runs. This updates the selected record in the database.
Finally, let's check how the delete function works. On index.php, each record has a delete link that sends the user's ID to delete.php. In delete.php, we have this simple code. This removes the user from the database permanently. The JavaScript confirm delete function asks for confirmation before deleting. Now, let's see how the system works. As you can see, there is already a list. Let's add another one. First, add name, example, Juanito Abante. And for the email, juanito@gmail.com. Then, click the add button and just click OK for the confirmation. As you can see, the data we add are in the list. Now, let's see if the data is stored in our database. Let's check our database in the other tab. Click refresh for the update. And the data is saved in our database. Now, let's start to edit the data. Click edit button. Example, let's change the name. Juanito Abante to Juanito Atras. For the email, let's change juanito@gmail.com to juanini@gmail.com and click update button and click OK for confirmation. As you can see, the data on the list changed. And also, let's check our database in the other tab. Click refresh again for the update. And as you can see, the data changed in our database. And last, let's try to delete the data. Click the delete button and click OK for confirmation. Now, let's check our database. Click refresh again for the update. And as you can see, the data we deleted has been removed. And that's our CRUD system. Create, read, update, and delete. we used PHP for backend logic, MySQL for the database, HTML for structure, and JavaScript for confirmations. This simple project demonstrates how to manage data dynamically in a web application. Thank you for watching.